Hey guys, this is Samantha with Couples Finance. Today we're going to go through constructing your combined financial files Google Drive so that you and your partner are able to seamlessly integrate all of your finances into a single file and have access to it anywhere you go. This is especially important in the event of an emergency. Let's say one person got into a car accident, all of your insurance and financial information is available using this system. So here you can see I've got just a test Gmail account to show you how to get to Google Drive, because if you've never used it before, you might have missed it. Basically, once you're in your Gmail account, just click on these little squares, click Drive, and it'll open it up for you. Now, once you're actually inside your Google Drive, you'll want to know a couple of things. First of all, My Drive, these are the files that you've saved, actual Google Drive. Shared with me is something that people have shared with you. It may or may not have been added to your drive. So just be aware of that, because if somebody shared something with you and you thought you added it to your drive, it might actually still just be in this shared folder. You're in your Google Drive. Partner one is going to do the following things. First of all, they're going to create the actual folder that your combined finances are going to live in. You can call it anything you want. We're going to call this one We're Rich. And you'll know this is always your finance stuff. So once you actually get into that folder, of course, you just created it, so it's empty. So the first thing that we're actually going to do is share this with your partner and double check the security settings, because obviously we wouldn't want any of your information to get out there into the interwebs so that people could use it. So all you do on that is just click on the down arrow, and then once you're in there, click Advanced. And this is going to tell you all of the information about your sharing settings for this particular file. So this is private, only I can access it, which is perfect. I'm the owner, and then I'm going to share it with my partner, which in this case is just another fake email address. It'll automatically select notify people. That's great. And so then the second partner can actually go check their email right now if they just want to be that it's there. They can check, and they'll see an email in their inbox with that file. So the next step is we want to add the net worth spreadsheet that you've already done into this file. So right now I recommend that just one of you pick your spreadsheet, and then the other one we're going to copy and paste your information in. So ideally, this is going to be the spreadsheet with the most lines. So if one of you has 20 accounts and one of you has 3, definitely it'll be easier to drag and drop the spreadsheet with 20 accounts. So really all you're going to do, and I have this in another window, but I'm just pulling a file over from my other, just drop it here and it'll go ahead and upload that item. Once it's uploaded, there's really just one more step. You need to double click on this. Right now it's in Excel. We want to open it in Google Sheets. So we can just click the down arrow, select Google Sheets, and it'll automatically convert it for us. And the great thing about Google Sheets, if you've never used it before, is that both people can be in here editing at the same time. If you've used Dropbox or something like that, you know that really only one person can be editing the sheet at a time, or you'll make duplicate accounts. So it's kind of a big problem. And again, of course, this is just dummy data, but all of your tabs and everything that you filled out in the previous lessons should come over. Once you've done that, I'm going to close this, and you really want to make sure to delete the original Excel file. Not a big deal if you don't, but it just makes it a lot cleaner, and then you know that this is the file that is your net worth sheet that you'll be able to open and edit. If you don't do that, you have you could potentially make duplicates. So just go ahead and delete that one. After that, you're pretty much set to go. I recommend going ahead and downloading the Google Drive app. Of course, it's free, and this will make your available to you on any device that you've connected your Gmail to, which is super, super handy. Of course, we're missing the partner two's instructions, but that'll be in the next video. Thanks.